Do you want to print stickers and labels super fast? Then this MUNBYN printer could be the right thing for you. It's the MUNBYN RealWriter 130B Bluetooth label printer. It's a thermal printer and I'm going to show you all about it. Don't worry about the damage to my box. The courier decided that they could leave it outside in the rain when they delivered it to my house. Turns out they were right actually, it's absolutely fine. So, once you open it up, it says it's going to print in 1 second. Spoiler alert, it really does. So you get a card with some nice QR codes on so you can get started quickly. Because this connects to your phone or your computer, you also get a USB and an instruction book. You get a lead to connect it to your computer if you want to, and a power lead for the actual printer. Now, I've only used it with my phone because for me that was the huge appeal of this machine. Quick, easy, nothing complicated. So you can see by my hands next to it, this is a tiny printer. It's about 7 inches by 4 inches and about 3.5 inches high. Really compact, great for us small businesses who've always squeezing lots onto a small desk. It comes just with a little sample print in it because they've checked the printer. And you can see there's nothing fancy, not lots of great buttons, so it's going to be easy to use. So that's everything that's coming in your box. At the end, I'll show you lots of stickers and labels that I've printed. But for now, let's just show you how it works. You're going to need the actual sticker printer and you're going to need your phone with the app on it. So just download the app from the App Store or whatever you use and you're ready to go. So open up the printer and feed in your roll of stickers or your fan fold of stickers. I'm making a meal of it. I don't know why because it's very easy. But you'll see there are some guides there. So you can just bring those guides in and they work as a pair, so it's dead easy. And they'll secure your stickers. And then line them up approximately with the front edge. Really don't worry too much because the printer is going to do the work for you. Close it and you'll see it works out where the front of that first sticker is and sets itself up. So now all we need to do is go into the app. So the top left, you can connect it up to your printer and it's dead easy. It's just using Bluetooth and then you're ready to go. So you just press add and then it'll say one of these stickers, which it is because that's what I was doing before. But if it's not, it's really simple just to select the size you want and then you're into the editor. Now there are lots of templates with this printer, so you can find loads of things already there. Lots of icons, lots of designs, lots of holidays, and I'm just going to go for a simple flower. So I'll have a little look at what flower I want, and then I can just select it and it will appear on my sticker. That one. Now I think it's a bit small, so I'm just going to drag the red dot to make it bigger. And then press alignment and I want to put it in the center. But you can see there's lots of scope for moving that around, but I think I'll go a little bit bigger. So I'll just click on it and then the red dot to drag it. And then once I'm happy, I just want to print. Press the print button and it will appear. How quick was that? So I'm happy with that. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I might want it again, so you can save it, and that's a really big thing for a business. You can save these once you've spent the time designing them. If you do something complicated, you can keep it and you can just print them off at 1 a second forever. So I'm going to do another one, and while I'm doing that, I'm just going to give you a little bit of information. It's a thermal printer, so you're never going to buy ink or toner. You can just keep printing. And it really is clear and crisp. You can connect it to your computer using a cable if that's what you prefer, or you can just use it with your phone on Bluetooth, which is that's all I'm going to do, I imagine. It's great for printer labels and indeed lots of other labels. Printer labels, I meant of course postage labels, package labels. So I'm not saving that one, that's too simple. And then off they go. They're all ready for me to use. You don't have to worry about smudging because it's a thermal printer. You can just use them straight away. And they're going to be great on that yellow gift bag that you can see at the side. So once I've finished printing those, I'm going to show you the larger labels that are perhaps more suitable for business purposes. Although I've got to say I've used them in quite a few craft projects as well. So again, as the other labels, you just feed them in. Obviously I need to widen the guides to the width of these stickers and put it near the front. Again, it doesn't need to be right at the front, just quite near. And then it will adjust for the new sticker, see what size it is, and know what it's printing. And then we're back in the app. So again, just going to select the right size, which is at the top there. And you can see the stickers. You can see I've got that white one. And then I'm back in the editor. And I can select whatever it is I want. Now I want to use this template here. And I just want to print it as it is. So I'm just going to check my alignment. And then print. And away we go. And there you have it. Great for sticking on a parcel, a present. You can personalise these. You can put people's names on them. So really, really useful. Now, I just wanted to draw your attention to something that I've not got a problem with because mine's quite new. But if you do start to have any difficulties with your printer head, there's a little bit of build up on there. You can simply clean it. You just need a little alcohol wipe like you'd use for your glasses, your spectacles. And you're just going to give it a gentle wipe. Now there's nothing on mine, so it's going to come off perfectly clean. But if you had got some build up on there, it would just come off onto your wipe. So just be gentle and just clean it up. And then you're ready to go again. And you can print away. So if you're running a small business or you just love stickers, I really recommend this machine. It is really good and I've really enjoyed using it. So I'm going to be looking for ways to involve it in my crafts. So here are some ideas of things I've printed off, and you can see what the printer looks like. I've done the one I just did, some Father's Day, Earth Day, some relating to my business with QR codes on them, and thank you for your order, a wedding one, a to-do list. Really, the options are endless. Just get creative and create your own labels and stickers. So enjoy your printer. I'm enjoying mine.